Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Oh, it's nice and cool outside. I'm enjoying this weather. Last night we did a unofficial trip to France. It wasn't part of the culinary expedition. I prepared a traditional French ratatouille, the diced version. It was good. I can see why it is popular. Now I want to remind you, recipes are just guidelines. I served it over pasta and I used a shredded Parmesan cheese as a garnish. That's why it was an unofficial visit. It was really good with the pasta. It really was. I might have overcooked the ratatouille just a bit, but I was following the guidelines. Should have went with my instincts, with my ancestors. I will get the recipe up for you to enjoy and play with. Today is basically a simple dinner. It's good. Hopefully, it's going to look beautiful. Tonight, I am preparing a pan-seared cod with garlic cream sauce over sautéed spinach and my rice pilaf. Let's get to it. And the hardware, my hardware is always simple. Non-stick pan for the cod, another non-stick pan for the sauce, and my medium saucepan for the rice pilaf. The software, my $2 cod, salt, that's kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, butter, heavy whipping cream, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and some baby spinach. And green onions for some garnish. For the pilaf, olive oil, long grain white rice, orzo, onion. I love to throw in peas. These are still frozen, as you can see. I have some freshly made, it's a few days old, so it's not fresh. Some chicken broth, and I'll be just using just a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, Mexican paprika, and a little bit of ground coriander. So here's the software and all the goodies for tonight's meal. And according to Mr. Bob Harlan, his weather report is indicating very similar weather throughout the next few to several days, at least through the weekend, here in Sutter County, California. How's the weather where you're at? All right, so on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.